If you're looking for a new charger for your Apple computers from 2022 to 2025, this could be it. This comes in a nice box here. And let me unwrap this for you. So it looks like your standard charger here, a good size. And then we have the cable, and it comes with a nice Velcro piece, so it's easy to wrap back up. And the cord is nice and long. So this is actually about 2 meters, which is pretty long, as you can see. So it's about 6.5 feet. And you can see it plugs right into the charger here on the back. And then I love that these flip out. It makes it really easy to use this on the go. You can travel with this because those just pop right back in. And it does have an indicator light on here. So as you are charging, you'll know when it is fully charged because it will turn green. And while it's charging, it will be an amber color. Makes it convenient to charge your computer. And it's the MagSafe 3, not the 1 or 2, but the 3. So this is just a nice 96 watt USB charger power adapter for your Apple computers. I was sent this in exchange for review. I hope that helps.